Hi guys, this is Martin from Nokia Mob. I'm here playing with the Nokia 9. Sami locked it, but let's just check it out. Oh, this was quick. Thank you very much. Oh, now it's beautifully looking. So we have a 5.99 QHD display, which is 2K in resolution. It's a plastic OLED, which means that it's going to be full of nice details. There is 3,320 milliamp hours there, which will probably power up the device for the one day. There is the 20 megapixel fixed focus camera there, and there are five cameras of 12 megapixels at the back with laser focusing and LED. So the device looks quite nice. It's covered with Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and Gorilla Glass 5 at the back, it's designed quite nicely. So there is the USB port at the back, classic speaker grill, microphone, another microphone there at the back, and another microphone at the top, along with the SIM card drawer. It looks quite nice, and you will see how the camera is performing quite soon. So this has been Martin. See you guys.